Yo, go on. Yeah, man. There's the boy there, Rasta boy, you know. Yeah, people, I just want to say welcome back. You know, if you're just discovering this channel, yeah, man, not frightened. It's your boy, same Rasta, you know. Yeah, I just switched my YouTube channel, them. And I had some problems with the last one and thing. And I had to change my phone and them thing. And I lost my passwords and all them thing. You know. I lost the email address I was using to that phone as well and thing, and I'm just, well, I bought a different phone recently, quite recently. I mean really top notch and things still, but the frightened still are working on that, you know. Yeah, and as you could see, today I out in the bush, out by my farm doing some work and thing, just organizing and supply ginger and thing, you know. Yeah, and the breeze are blow quite strong, so give me background noise and them thing there overs. Yeah, man. Yeah, and if you could take a look there, so I don't plan some tanny and them thing there. You want, but you know, later on I will give another update, a better update on that still and how it go. You know? Yeah. There's some way down in the footing down this one, them and you just plant and mango all over the place. Now it's mango season in my country. Yeah. And I just organize it and this for plant with ginger, you know, just a get and clear up and thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I want you to say look out for the marijuana flags, the ganja flags. Yeah, I don't put in the works to get that organized and thing. And I don't plant in a piece of weed and thing, just taking care of it right now. You know? Yeah, well, later on you will see all of that and things still now. Yeah. And I just want to say to those who now find my channel and them who recognize me from before, you know what I mean? As you could see, it not yet get bigger. You know? All that you go see that we more time later on down in the year and thing, I'll let you know how that I go and things still. You know what I mean? Yeah. I just want to say to them who now finding my channel that, you know, stick around and thing, and hopefully by the end of this year you're going to get some better content and things, some better, you know, better quality videos, more bright and them thing there, you know what I mean? Yeah, the camera they anyway coming and things still now. As I put together it works and them things still now, you know what I mean? Yeah, and thing. And then you go see some fishing videos as well, and probably some different videos, different thing coming, whole heap of different thing coming, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know, some cooking and them thing and traveling and thing. Yeah, but I just organize and just put in the works and thing, man. So, you know, yeah, and you might see I might buy some, invest in some animals this year, but I don't really want to say too much on that before it happen and things still, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. So, if anything, people, we go catch up and thing, and just stay tuned for more. Remember, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Yeah, and tell a friend to tune into the channel. Share the video all over. Yeah. Peace out. Rasta, man. I was saying, you know, just look out for the brand new thing them, man, coming. You know, seeing? Yeah. And I promise you I go try to be more consistent with the uploading. You know, seeing? Yeah, and thing. But, you know, people, yeah, I just want to say I'm going to be more consistent with the uploading. You know, right now on my channel. You know, seeing? But you have to bear with me because you have to understand sometimes, you know, I really want to clean, different things doing, you know, seeing? Yeah, and more time is me alone and thing now, you know, so you don't know how that go already, you know, oh, and hold on there. Yeah, and yeah, I try invest in some animal and thing now, you know what I mean? Yeah, see me done a brand new member, I family are with me already, on the side, a yogurt, Yeah, man. Hold on. Tangle up yourself, yes, sir. Yeah. You know? And to not say hi to she. Come. Come, Bugs. She named Bugsy. She did go camera shy. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know? A wild goat. Let me catch in the mountains from since you come back home after the volcano. Yeah, boys. Yeah. You know what I mean? She the customer when she ready still now. Yeah, boys. Yeah, but this year trying to invest in some animals and things. Yeah, boys. You know, some goat and possibly some sheep and yeah, boys. Them thing. Yeah, boys. And a whole heap of different thing. You check it. Yeah, you might see some hunting videos with the boys them that you know what I mean? Yeah. And if video got done, so you don't know how we go. We go link up, we go catch up. Out. Wash my face, I'ma brush my teeth. Kick up on the sofa, one boy some tea. One me, I pray, I wish time for me. Cause right now, me, I can touch the state. I mean, right now, me, I can touch the bush. But I feel the plant, think the rest I stush. Me, I plant, sucker in the bar, I push. Eat what you grow, my plant, what me cook. Me, I try to run away, and I'm a water boat. Big piece of land with all kind of fruits. Big greed, I am for jumping at your soup. Because this is what's up, I'm going to make some juice. I'm wrecked, never way to know about that. Yeah, never way to know about that. I mean, blind everything. As a bad man, me no go fit up in your miss. Me no go fit up in your miss. 6 foot, you still a dead, you put a lucky and swift. We no go fit up in your miss. Jim Star, rev the rifle in a 3 gear. 3 man spread out, box man is still a great deer. Walk up, headshot, close range, keep near. Nah, keep nothing for him, end up in a wheelchair. Jump out and come, wrap the jeep on the breeze. Gorilla, I wet them. Taliban, what do them? You know what I mean? And yeah, I just left my farm, you know, heading home and thing. Walking through some jungle here and, you know what I mean? Yeah, hella ripe mangoes on the ground. Enough ripe mangoes on the ground. That's right. Enough mangoes on the ground. See? Plenty mangoes on the ground at spy people. Yeah. That's why they call St. Vincent Isle of the Blessed, land of the blessed. You know what I mean? I will show you something. Don't know if you could see it from here, so. But I just scotch a little PC and this is the river. Don't know if you could see it. But there is the river now. You know? Yeah, there is the river there. You see it? Yeah, that river people. You know? Yeah. So my farm not there too far from where the river there. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah man, like I tell you, soon time coming, you know? Some brand new thing coming, Jed. You know what I mean? Yeah. Some brand new videos and thing now. You know? Talking about river cookouts. You know what I mean? Spending nights in the bush right side the river there. You know? Right by my farm. Yeah, people. Oh, I see something else again, sir. Right there. Right there, right there. Oh yeah, right there. Sour sap. No? Sour sap and tree loaded. Plenty in the tree. I mean, see them over there, sir. See them up there, sir. Sour sap. Enough sour sap. Enough sour sap, daddy. I mean, yeah, enough sour sap, daddy. Me last strap. Yeah, but them not quite ready yet. No, just a full up. Yeah. Like I've been telling you, just stay tuned and whole heap of things in store. Brand new videos in store coming, man. Brand new vlog. I mean, bad, wicked vlog. You know what I mean? Yeah. Soul on the island. That's the man of the fit, you know. Yeah, people. I know. Reach down in a riverbed, yeah. And take a careful of your walk. Huh? Yeah. And like as I've been saying and thing now, you know, your whole heap coming. Right, we're working there, plan to build a house there. Not really a house, but somewhere like we could cook and thing. Like when I finish working on the side of the farm, and I plan to build a next one on the next side of the farm. You know what I mean? Yeah. Crystal clear water, people. Nice and cool. Might come back in a time in. Come, you know? Make a dip, but right now I can't go in like I'm foot hot in my boots. And I'm foot hot in my boots, so I can't go in a done. But it's nice. You know what I mean? Yeah. And nice water. And nice and refreshing, you know? Yeah, people. I see behind it. Nice little waterfall. Yeah. And this is just one of many. You know what I mean? Yeah, people, there is just one of many. You know? Yeah, and this right here, this is a susumba, aka gully berry or gully cherry. You know what I mean? Yeah, Rasta man them put this in their food, you know? Yeah. Susumba. And yeah, you come reach again for another mango chase again. Bare mangoes on the ground a spoil. Fresh mangoes. You know what I mean? Right side the river. Yeah, people. Sour sap chili again. Yeah, and like I said, this is not too far from my home now. You know? Yeah, this is just actually in the back road by my home. You know what I mean? Yeah, not too far. Short walk. So anybody from anywhere want to come and visit my farm, you know what I mean? You don't have to worry about nothing. Your words. Yeah. It's like paradise, man. So yeah, people. I mean, sure. See right over there, sir? Right over there, sir, for my yard. Yeah, man. Yeah. So yeah, I say, and I just want to look out for the many vlogs that I have in store coming for you. You know what I mean? Like I tell you already, look out for the ganja farm. You know what I mean? And I don't know if I might be planting any cabbage this year. I'm not too sure, but definitely I will be doing what you call a core pit, core skill, as some people may call it. You know, for coals. You know, burning wood for coals. Yeah. You know what I mean? I might do one or two, I'm not too sure, but for definitely I'll be doing one. You know what I mean, people? Yeah. And I just want to say to the ghetto youths and them, to the everybody out there, farming is a sustainable way of life. And nobody trick you. Farming is one of the most independent way of life, where you don't have to work for nobody, you're working for yourself. Yeah, you're on a boss, you're not man, you're not done. You know what I mean? Yeah, I want to show the item something. Yeah, look where I come upon in the river. You know, to ganja tree. Somebody must have dropped the seed on them here. And they're growing right in the riverbed. Right in the center of the riverbed. You know, and we recently had a flood. We recently had some flooding and they survived. You know what I mean? And they now look for buds. To go through buds. You know? So hopefully they might survive. Once no more rain. Yeah. Pay respect to Mother Nature, you know. Love and respect to Mother Nature, man. You know what I mean? And protect river them. You know, don't use the chemical in the river them and thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I just say gonna. So people, it has been wonderful tapping in with you guys again. You know? Like I say, stay tuned for the lap journey, which I'm going to start showing you. You guys, you know, just stay tuned for that. You know what I mean? And you're going to see, I just want you all to see the transformation that about to take place. Yeah, coming across my planting field. Poor man thing. So alright, so people are going to see again. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, show some love and encouragement, and stay blessed. Peace out. Watch me. Look right there. Look right there. Watch me. Look right there. Yeah, that one. But me just don't need the fat milk now. Me don't me condensed milk. Me don't do my own and put sour sap. That's this and a big sour sap thing. Yeah. Look one out there. Look, kill yourself, but don't get to fear.